Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video will be a colorful cut crease. If you want to see how I create this look, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So today's eyeshadow palette I will be using today is the Matte Book from the Crayon case, and I will be using that light purple shade, and I will be putting that in my crease and blending it back and forth. So now I'm going to use my SAHARAN palette by JUVIA'S, and I will use that black shade called Chad, and I will just blend that out up under that purple shade I applied. And then I went back into that purple shade from the Crayon case, and I'm just going to blend the edges out. So now I'm about to use my LA Pro Girl concealer to cut my crease. I'm just using this fluffy brush to draw down some of that concealer and blend my edges out from that cut crease. And I'm just using that black shade towards the outside, and I'm just blending the edges out. So my next shade I'm going to use is this white shade. I'm going to put it on my lid. Then I'm going to apply that darker purple right beside it, and as you can see, I'm just doing patting motions. And the next color I will be using is that blue shade, and I'm going to put it right beside that purple. And I'm going back in that black, and I'm just making sure everything is blended correctly. Now I'm just using my NIVEA cream to moisturize my face. And for foundation, I will be using the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I will be using the Kiss foundation. I'm going to mix those two together. So now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder, and I'm just going to go behind that foundation and set it. And to conceal certain spots on my face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. concealer. So now I'm just about to highlight with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And to set all those places I highlighted and conceal, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder. And to contour, I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to contour down the sides of my face and my forehead. And to bring some hydration back into my face, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Prep and Prime spray, and it's the cucumber scent. Now I'm just lining my waterline with this black eye pencil. So now I'm just going to line my lips with this dark brown lip pencil. And the lipstick I'm going to use is by Pacifica or Pacifica, and it's in the nude shade. Well, here's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on any products I use, it will be in the description box down below. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. But I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.